Hello, it's Mary here. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome to my channel. In this channel, we teach how to sew for beginners and advanced as well. Today, we are going to work on a very nice project.
You will need fabric, scissors, seam ripper, a snipper, and of course some pins, lots of them. And if you have a sewing machine, will be great. The pattern is in the description. This is all the pattern pieces. I pre-cut them already.
Hi guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I will be posting so many videos, so you don't want to miss any. So if you also like the video, please hit the like button and let's go back to the video. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.